everybody, welcome to the 𝐂𝐸 Way. I'm Jessica, and today's video is going to be a look inside our brand new study, Terrific Texas, which is a study of the Lone Star State's people, places, and past. So in this study, what you're going to find is an introduction. This is going to kind of give you an idea of everything that you're going to find and what you will be doing. You have unit study resources. So this is all supplemental because Terrific Texas is a standalone. You won't have to have anything to go along with it, but there is a supplemental book list of books about Texas or books that were set in Texas. There is a supplemental game list, and then there is a YouTube playlist that is clickable and scannable here that's going to be all about Texas. Then there are 12 different lessons. Each lesson is set up in a very similar format. You're going to start with a nonfiction reading passage. There is going to be discussion questions that you can ask your child either as comprehension because they read it independently or because you read it aloud and you just want to start with some really great discussions about the information that you read. Then for each and every lesson, you are going to have writing prompts, activities, and field trip ideas. So that lesson was Texas's geography and climate. So here are some different writing prompts you can use that come to play with that topic. Here are some different hands-on activities you could do about that topic. And then here are 5 field trip ideas that are located in Texas that have to do with that topic. There's also going to be a coloring page for each and every lesson. My favorite thing to do with these is have my daughter color while I'm doing the reading passage aloud. And then there is some sort of comprehension page. It's normally true and false. So they're going to read these sentences and just mark a T for true or an F for false. The other lessons included are Texas's flora and fauna, Texas's first people, Texas explorers, Spanish Texas, Mexican Texas, the Texas Revolution, the Republic of Texas, statehood and Civil War, government and economy of Texas, Texas's landmarks and legends, modern Texas culture and contributions, and then as like final projects, there's a few different things you can have your child do. There is a Texas Facts where they're going to learn all about the state and fill out one of these notebooking pages. There is a famous Texan biography where they can pick a famous Texan and do a biography about them. My animal research, they can pick an animal that is native to Texas and do a research paper on them. And then to go along with the field trips that you're going to be taking, there is a Texas field trip log. So you can have them fill this out for maybe their favorite field trip, or you can have them fill it out for each and every field trip, depending on how you want to do this in your homeschool. There's also a timeline of history for the state of Texas. So you can use what you learn from this unit study and you can fill it all in, one important event at a time, to complete a timeline. And then there are also answer keys for all of the comprehension questions as well. And of course, it wouldn't be a 𝐂𝐸 Way study without some sort of games. So there are a few different ones included. You can play these throughout the study if you would like, or you can use them as review once you have finished the study. The first game we have is a trivia-based board game for journeying through Texas and the first people. So you're going to basically place your token at the start, roll your dice, and move around the board. When you land on a tribe space, you're going to draw one of these cards and answer the questions correctly to earn a token. If you land on an event space, then you are going to get an event card, which is going to be like move forward, move backwards. There's a key down here. We also have a memory match game. This is going to be based off of the animals of Texas. So for example, you will have a description of the animal and a picture of the animal, and you will need to, match them as you turn them over. There is also a Jeopardy game that is split into categories of geography and climate, flora and fauna, first people, explorers and missions, and revolution and republic. So you have the questions, which are actually the answers, and then the answers, which are actually the question in true Jeopardy format, and an answer key. And then there's also a timeline game. So you can play this in a couple of different ways. You're going to have different times, like different years and big events that happened in the state of Texas, and you're going to match them. You can play this like memory and take turns flipping over to match the date to the event, or you can use them to make a life-size timeline of Texas history.